learn Abacus and improve your mathematics. If you're watching my video first time, I'm Sumna Bhatt from Inners Academy. I'm a certified international Abacus tutor. I'm making the videos about the concept of Abacus. Today also I have a new concept of Abacus. So watch the video till the end. And press the like button and subscribe the channel to get all the notifications. Today we are learning how to do the decimal division on the abacus. Till now we have learned all the concept of addition and 2D into 1D multiplication and 3D into 1D multiplication and also some of the division. All those videos, if you want, you can watch it. All the videos we have already done all these concepts. Today we are moving to the decimal division. How to do the decimal division on abacus. This is very easy and it is done in the fraction of seconds. If we take the method of doing this division, decimal division in the conventional method, means in the school method, that is little difficult to the children. It's not so easy when they are using the decimal points. Most of the children will feel very difficult to do the division of these decimals. But on the abacus, it's very easy. Abacus method, division, decimal divisions, we will see. I have taken the number 2.68 divided by 0.2. 2.68 divided by 0.2. After the decimal, now what we'll do, we'll take it as a whole number. We'll not consider the decimals. Just take it as a whole number, divide it to get the answer first. That is the abacus method. Take all the numbers as a whole number, forget about the points, and divide the number, get the answer. Then you see way to put the points. The easiest. Okay. See, number is 268 divided by 2 now, because we have completely forgot about the decimals. Okay. 268 by 2 means it is 3 digit by 1 digit. 3 digit by 1 digit comes on the house number 1. So that is 268. 268 divided by 2. So if you divide this by 2, 2 ones are 2. Division we have already, the whole number division is already done the videos. If you have not watched that video, just go and see how to do it, how to do the whole number division on the abacus. Okay. 2. 2 ones are, skip the round because we are using 1 round. Ones are 2. Then divide 6 by using 2. 2 3s are 6. Sorry. 2 3s are 6. Then we have 8. 2 4s are 8. So the answer is 134. 134 is the answer. Okay. Answer is 134. We got the answer now. All the numbers are same, you can see here. Only the decimal points are in different places. So that it is not needed to divide it again and again. Because we have the whole number answer already. Okay. Now let us see how to put the point for these type of decimal division once we got the whole number answers. Okay. Let us check that now. Division we have already done. 2.68 divided by 0, 0.2. The answer we got, as for the whole number, we got 134. We have 4 different types of types to put the points. What are the different methods we should use? That we'll see now. First one is, what we should see, I'll tell you what we have to do that. First, we have to see how many decimals are there in the left hand side and right hand side. This is left hand side and this is the right hand side. Okay, how many decimals are there, that we should see. Here we have 2 decimal numbers. In the right hand side we have 1. Subtract 1 by the other, then we will get 1. Okay, so then we got 1. Okay. So after finding the difference, we should see which side decimal numbers are more. Which side decimal numbers are more. In the left-hand side, decimal numbers are more here, that you can see, right? If the decimal numbers are more in the left-hand side, you should put the point in the answer. If the decimals are more in the right-hand side, you should put the 0. So how many points we have to take? Difference. According to the difference, there is only one difference. So that the answer is 13.4. So 2.65 divided by 0.2 is 13.4. Okay. Now let us see the second type. Here, decimal points were more in the left-hand side. In the next one, also we have the decimal points more in the left-hand side. So answer we know now. 268 divided by 2 is 134. We already done it. Now what we should do? Check the number of decimals in the left-hand side and also in the right-hand side. Okay. Here we have 3 decimals. Here we have 1. Difference is 2. After getting the difference, we should see which side decimals are more. This is also left side is more, means we have to put the point. For how many numbers? For 2 numbers, because difference is 2, isn't it? So the answer is 1.34. 0.268 divided by 0.2 is 1.34. Okay. Now let us see the third type. Third type is, you see, left-hand side, this is 2.68 divided by 0.0004. Sorry, 0002. Now, only the difference is decimal points. Number is, if you take whole number, 268 divided by 2 itself. Answer we know, 134. 130. 134 is the answer as it is. I'm going to write here, 134. That is the whole number answer. Now we should put the decimals. Left-hand side, 2 decimals. Sorry. Right-hand side, we have after the decimal 4 numbers. Subtract one by the other as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2. Difference is 2. After finding the difference, you should see which side we should put the, whether we should put the point or we should put the 0. That we should see. Here what we have done, difference is 2, we know that. In the left-hand side, we have 2 decimal numbers. In the right-hand side, we have 4 decimal numbers. Means it is more in the right-hand side. If the decimal numbers are more in the right-hand side, what to do? We should put zeros. How many? According to the difference. Difference is 2. 2 zeros we should put in the answer. That is 134 we have already, right? 2 zeros. So the answer is 13,400 is the answer. Isn't it? Now we are moving to the next fourth type. In the fourth type, see here. Decimal points are same on both the sides. Both the sides decimal numbers are same. 2.68 divided by 0.02. Answer we know already. That is 268 divided by 2 is 134. That already we know. We are learning is how to put the decimal points. Right. So, if the decimal points are same in left-hand side and also in the right-hand side, so here difference is 2. Here also, sorry. Here decimal number is 2. Here also 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Difference we got 0. That means no need to put the point. So the answer is 2.68 divided by 0.02 is, it is 134 as it is. No decimals, because decimal numbers in the left-hand side is equal to the decimal numbers in the right-hand side. So that 0. No decimals. Okay. These are the 4 different types of decimals, which we are very easily we can do it under Abacus by here is it. once I'll explain that. If the decimal numbers are more in the left-hand side, we should put the point. If the decimal numbers are more in the right-hand side, we should write the zeros. How we should write the decimal point or zero? According to the difference. What difference? Number of decimals in the right-hand side, right-hand side or left-hand side? Number of different decimals in the left-hand side minus number of decimals in the right-hand side. So subtract one by the other. What difference you'll get? According to the difference, put the point in the answer. So we can do the whole number division on the abacus. Then we can put the point. These 4 points we should remember. If the decimal points are more in the left-hand side, put the point. If the decimal numbers are more in the right-hand side, write 0. If the decimal points are same, both left and right, then what we should do? We must not put any decimals at all. Suppose there is decimal when dividing the number. There is one more method also. When you divide the number, then you will get the decimal. In the answer, you got the decimal. And here also we have decimal. If you get like that, what we should do? You have to shift the point according to the number of decimals, left-hand side or right-hand side. Okay, just we have to shift the point. If the decimal numbers are more in the left-hand side, shift the point to the left-hand side. If the decimal point are more in the right-hand side, shift the point into the